Hi dear students, in our previous class we had started the discussion about one grammatical term, auxiliaries. Okay, what is auxiliaries? Auxiliaries means helping or supporting verb. There are two kinds of auxiliaries are there in English. What are the two kinds of auxiliaries? Primary or principal auxiliary. Then second one, modal auxiliaries. Okay, what is primary or principal auxiliaries? Yes, what are the primary or principal auxiliaries? Be, have, do. We use primary auxiliaries as a main verb and supporting verb. Okay, so in the case of modal auxiliaries, the word model is derived from the word mode. Okay, that express the mood or attitude of the speaker. The word modal auxiliary express the mood or attitude of the speaker. Okay, what are the modal auxiliaries? That also we discussed. Modals are those helping verbs which precede the main verb. Okay, they have only one form. Precede. തുടർന്ന് വരുന്നത്. Okay. Modals show the manner of the action denoted by the verb. They express ability, suggestion, probability, possibility, permission, wish, obligation, duty, prohibition, or advice. Okay, the modal auxiliaries show the manner of action denoted by the verb. They express ability, suggestion, probability, possibility, permission. We use the modal auxiliaries to express the possibility, permission, wish, obligation, duty, probability, suggestion, etc. Okay. Next one, use of different modals. First one, will. What are the uses of will? The first one, to express willingness. That means readiness. Example, my brother will join swimming. Second one, for asking questions or making request. We use will for asking questions and making request. Will you bring a glass of water for me? Next one, to show determination, certainty. Okay, the teacher will punish him for his misbehavior. To express threat. Then to express promise or intention. Examples that you have to read. Okay, dear students, that are the uses of will. Next one, would. Would is the past tense of will. And second one, to express habitual action in the past. Every summer, habitual action എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ സ്ഥിരമായിട്ട് നടക്കുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങളെയാണ് എന്ത് പറയുന്നത്? ഹാബിച്വൽ ആക്ഷൻ. എവരി സമ്മർ ഹി വുഡ് ഗോ സ്വിമ്മിങ്. എവരി സമ്മർ. ഓക്കെ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ, to express polite request. To express willingness or wish. To form of a conditional statement. Next one, next modal auxiliary, shall. To express future time. To express determination. To express command. To express promise, to express threat. Should is the past tense of shall. Next one, to express supposition or possibility. To express duty or moral obligation. To express advice or suggestion. Next one, can. To express ability. That you know, I can swim, I can sing, they can speak English. To express request, to express possibility, to express permission. We use can to express these kinds of things. Good. That's the past tense of can. To express ability in the past. To express polite request, question. To express possibility. May. To ask permission. To express probability. Probability means, what is the meaning of probability? സാധ്യത. Okay. It may rain soon. സാധ്യതയുണ്ട് എന്ന് പറയില്ലേ. To express purpose. To express wish or prayer. Next one, might. Past tense of may. To express uncertainty. To express purpose. Next one, must. To express obligation and compulsion. You must do your work. That shows the compulsion. To express duty or necessity. To express determination. To express strong possibility. Next one, need. Used in negative statement. In interrogative statement. Interrogative statement, what is that? Questions. Ought to. Ought to means kadama. To express moral binding. You ought to help your fellow beings. To express advice. Next one, to indicate something that was wrong. Used to the fact of past. Dare. In the negative statement, we use dare. In the interrogative statement, how dare he misbehave with me? How dare you? That kind of questions we ask. So, exercise. Rahida, wanting to take admission to Sherwood Academy, met Miss Nazia at the school reception office. Miss Nazia helped the Rahida to fill up the admission form. Complete the following conversation between Rahida and Miss Nazia by filling appropriate models. Okay. Rahida, good morning, madam. Miss Nazia, good morning. What can I do for you? എന്താണ് ചെയ്തു തരേണ്ടത്? Rahida, my name is Rahida. I would like to take admission in the class 7 in your school. Can you please help me? Miss Nazia, yes, dash. May I know your age? Rahida, I am 12 years old. Miss Nazia, please fill up this form. Rahida, may I borrow your blue ink pen? Nazia, yes, please. Rahida, should I fill in with block letters? Yes, you must. That shows the compulsion. Rahida, may I take the form home? Miss Nazia, yes, you can. But you must submit it before April 20. Rahida, yes, I will surely do so. Thanks. That's over. Next one, fill in the blanks with the correct models. First one, I dash go to Chennai tomorrow. I shall. Shall is used to express the future. I shall go to Chennai tomorrow. An honest citizen dash to pay income tax. Obligation. That means kadama, ought to. He dash rather starve than bake. Would. Dash, you need my help. Should you need my help? It dash be a cloudy day today. Will. Dash, you give me a red pen. Which one could you? Friction will cause heat. 8.1, what dash? What would you do if you are outside during a thunderstorm? 9th one, my friends wanted to know if I dash would. Then 10th one, we dash obey the law. We ought to. That shows the kadama. Okay. We ought to obey the law. Complete the dialogue by fill in the blanks with the suitable models. Ridhima, Devika, when dash you come to my house in the evening? Will. Devika, not before 7 o'clock. Ridhima, at what time? Dash will. Okay. Devika, there is enough time, don't worry. We dash reach on time. We shall reach on time. Ridhima, I am worried anything dash happen to my car and we can would. Devika, will you please stopping worrying unnecessarily? Okay, fill in the blanks with suitable models. That is your homework. D. You have to try to do that one. It's very simple one. Instructions are given in the bracket. That likewise you have to select the proper models. Okay, dear students. Our chapter is over. If you have any doubts, you just ask. Okay.